All right, guys, so let's set up our automatic messaging. I'm going to turn off my Wi-Fi because I just keep on getting phone calls for chickens all day, every day. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this, say copy. I'm going to go back, hit settings, bottom right, and then go to my greeting message. And as you can see, I've already filled mine in. Make sure that you select exclude my contacts. Send to anyone who isn't in your contacts. Otherwise, your friends and contacts get annoyed. You then select, obviously, send your greeting message, must be green. Go back. Then you go down to quick replies. I've set up 4 quick replies already so that I don't have to keep on typing out text. I then click plus, and I might say, if you are looking to start your business online, visit this link to register for your own e-store on GroSpace, the online farmers market. Warm regards, Roland, a Claven. You need to be professional because people are worrying about scammers. You need to show them that you're not a scammer and that you're a professional somebody. Put your short code in. Mine is going to be sale 4 or sale 5 now. I think that's correct. Let's say save. There we go. Sale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's literally how I send messages to people. That's it for now. And now you go to organize chats. There's 4 stages in a sales funnel. You've got awareness, which is the first one that you've got here. You've got interest, which is this one. You've got demand, which is this one. And then you've got action, where the guys are actually buying. Now what you end up doing is if you go back to your chats, you can see here I've gone like this, said more, and I said label chat. He is now looking like he's in the demand phase. So I'm going to move him across to demand, but I'm still keeping him in the interest phase for now. Click back, and now I've got demand phase and interest phase. So when I come back to my settings and I only want to focus on the business and not other people that are just coming in as leads, I go across to labels. I say, I see now I've got 2 people in this demand phase. I can then go and speak to them totally. All right, that's that for labels, quick replies, and your greeting message. Also make sure to adjust your away message. Send away message. Let's send it only to excluding my contacts. I'm going to say, thank you for your message. We're unavailable right now, but we'll respond to you as soon as possible. If you are interested in making a purchase for livestock or fresh produce, then visit www or worldwideweb.grospace.co.za. And I'm going to say, kind regards, Roland A. Claven. Save. Now, schedule outside of business hours. I'm going to send that. Now I need to look at my business hours. So let's go to business profile. And it says Mondays we're closed. So now we're opening up. Sunday we can stay closed. We can then say open for selected hours from 9 until 6. 9 until 6 is good. And we can say save. So my away message will save it. I quickly need to put the Wi-Fi back on for this to work. Seems I'm too far from the Wi-Fi, so let me go and pick it up. There we go. Let's save that now. That's done. 215 Stallion Road, Bolu is our address. So if people are looking for that, they can contact us. And the website is grospace.co.za. This now needs to change. There we go. Save that. Here's my currently set to. Are your farmers market looking to grow to sell easily? Register an online store in less than 5 minutes to our platform. I'm going to leave that there, but I'm actually going to say here, GroSpace, the online farmers market. Let's get rid of that. Save that. And there we go. GroSpace. The online farmers market. Save that. You can't save it like that, so you'll have to leave that for now. Let's add a couple more images. I'm happy with grospace.co.za though, so I'm going to leave that. Now your catalog. You can actually go and add a catalog of images. Let's edit this. Show add to cart button, cool. Advertise on Facebook. All right, we can't really do that, so let's do mixed lettuce, or let's see if I can add an item here. Let's add an item, choose a photo. Let's say I want to do the grow bottle, for instance. So let's do this one. So choose photo. Let's do that one. Let's choose that one and that one. So now you've got a serious set of photos. I'm going to change this to the grow bottle. It's a farm in a bottle. The price is 45 Rand. Yeah, I think 45 Rand's fine. The grow bottle is a fantastic miniature greenhouse made from 100% upcycled PET bottles. So, you could say PET soft drink bottles. Grow your organic vegetables, leafy greens, and rhizomes by saving Mother Earth. You need to add your own spin, because people really appreciate a little bit of interesting reading. It's the least that we can do to help. Put a smiley face, more fields. Let's link it to the online platform. So let's go here. Let's go, so grospace.co.za. I'm here. Let's go search and let's say grow bottle, because the grow bottle isn't quite live just yet. Let's see if it's going to work. And there we go. So let's click onto that. The grow bottle's been loaded, but there's no information around it. That's fine. So we'll copy this. We'll come back here. Double tap there. Paste. And then you can say, Save. I'm actually going to go and edit it a little bit further. I'm going to add the salad that we harvested. This salad over here. Click done, and then click save. Right? That's perfect. Now let's go up here. Let's go catalog. So now we go up top right and we say advertise on Facebook. No visible items in the catalog. That's because this one is loading. Once it's been approved, your customers will be able to see it on your profile. Perfect for now. So our business profile, let's go and have a look at that. We've sorted that out. Our catalog, we've added a product. We've done our away message. We've done our greetings. We've done our quick replies. We've done our labels. If you want to do a short link, you can. Message, GroSpace, the online farmers market here to place to find out more information. And to tailor deals. Save. Can't connect to WhatsApp for some reason. That's very strange. Maybe it's something to do with the Wi-Fi, I'm not sure. It's not working. So we'll leave that short link for now. If you want to, you can add this short link onto your website and then people will be able to contact you. So let's say we want to add WhatsApp to Facebook. That's been done. And now we're sorted. That's all of us taken care of. As you can see, I've literally been recording this video and someone messaged in. So let's have a look there. Hi, this is Dina. Hi, I'm Roland. This is a business account for GroSpace. And there's all the details. I'm going to show you right now how to set up the messages. I'm going to delete that. I'm going to show you, you go down here, then you press this button. You say, hi, I'm Roland. Wait for it to load. There we go. Now you send it. Okay. I just want to quickly go into settings, business profile, not that one, the greeting message. And I realized that I need to change livestock. Let's save that now. And there we go. That's all sorted. So now what I'll do is I'll send the next message would be the second one here, sell. It takes 28 days if you're ordering day old chicks online. And that's a vendor on GroSpace. Boom. In fact, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go across here to GroSpace. I'm going to search for chickens. I'm going to go down and you can see Grow Poultry there. I'm going to click on that link. And here you can see Grow Poultry's account. What their products, their about. If they have got an about, GrowChick represents a network of poultry hatcheries that together provide you with day-old chicks. You place an order by registering and paying, and we deliver day-old chicks in 28 days. They've got a review, which I placed just to test that my coding is correct. And there we go. I gave it 5 stars. But if you want to check their address, that's their address there. And it will take you directly. Okay. There's going to take you across to Google. So let's go back to the website. In fact, I think we can just go like this. If you want to place an inquiry with them, you can press inquiry and you can submit. If you want to translate, you can translate it into isiZulu. Options. You can change it across here to Afrikaans, Arabic if you wanted to. I'm just going to show the original. Okay, so I'm going to turn this on its side. I'm going to get rid of that. And what I'm going to actually do is I'm going to collect this, copy, and I'm going to cancel this tab reviews, wati. And grow poultry is what I'm going to leave it with. Send that. And there we have it. So I'm going to copy and paste this back into my settings, business tools, and I'm going to go quick replies. And then I'm going to say, that's a vendor, not a Zulu. Just kidding. And there we go. Save. So if we look at this one, GroSpace or Koza, watch the video online. It explains how to buy. If you're having issues, please don't hesitate to let me know, and I'll be here every step of the way to support. Number 5, if you're looking to start your business online, visit this link to register for your own e-store on GroSpace, the online farmers market. So now let's go back here. Let's send her the next one. Step 4. Here we go, the online farmers market. Send. Then the last one would be 5, because it's a business account. People need to be aware of that. So this link needs to be set up, so I'm going to go and set that up. Let's go and register. In fact, let's go and do this. Let's go home and click register. There we go, register to log in, copy. Okay. If you're looking now, this customer's got all of these different links. Her name's Dina. And we're going to create a new contact. Dina, chicken, buyer, GroSpace. I'm just going to say grow chick. Actually, grow chick is the company name. Buyer is what their action is. And then I'm going to save it as, yeah, that's fine. Just like a Dina grow chick buyer. Save. So now she's been saved. She's not going to get sent any funny messages. And then we're sorted.